first. Yeah, I guess it's fine actually.
Yeah. Walking into place.
This is the girls' part. So this is where the guys do their part, and you just stay still and love what the guys are doing. I know, Buck. Good, and then we're all together.
Yeah.
Spinning into the chorus. And this is our jump, 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 jump. Back into the chorus. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Now we're getting into formation. And then we're doing our pointing. And then the boys are gonna spin. 1, 2, and then the girls spin. And then we're gonna do our thriller. 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 Thanks, we're still thrillering. Thriller. And then now into the
Okay. All right. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
Formation.
Formation. Back into line. Chorus.
Oh, snake.
Snake. What? 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 And this goes 6 times until the final pose.